doesn't matter where we go and destination or no. I don't care where the motor stops, cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. Look around, where's the people at? I want a taste of the good life. Hit me with it right now, I'm in it. Cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. And I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah. Maybe I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Yeah. Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. You said, yeah, Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. It's 2 a.m. when we close the bar, but we're in the get-go. Next place, give me some more. I could dance with you beneath the stars, cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want you. Everything stops when you move like that, and I wanna get in close to you. It's what I'm gonna do, cause right now I'm in it. I feel kinda dizzy when I'm staring at you. And I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Yeah. Maybe I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Yeah. Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. Yeah. I said, Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. Everything stops when you move like that, yeah.
I'm Cassandra. I work here at Tori's. I do a lot of roles actually. I answer the phone, I help put decals together, I help cut them apart, I help with the customers. But my job is really easy and fun, so it makes it easy for me to come into work every day.
My name is Tabitha. I've been here for it'll be 19 years in May. I'm an installer. Used to be almost manager type. Ran away from that. Didn't want to do that. Just I'd rather be out in the back, enjoying the decals, putting on the vehicle. Dislike. Not much. Like people I work with. They keep it interesting. And the different jobs that come in. You don't ever just get to do the same thing over and over. So it always keeps you on your toes.
done this kind of work for about 25.
I bet it's more than that.
Probably more than that.
Do you enjoy doing the work?
Yeah, I love it. Something different every day.
That's why he likes
Keeps
it.
it from being boring.
There you go.
I cannot do assembly line work, so this is perfect for me. Bubbles, no wrinkles. Pretty easy.
Mike. Been doing it for 41 years, but I've been here at Tori's for about 10 or 11, off and on. Single, come and go as I please, do what I want, like cool stuff like this. You know, make customers happy. That's what life's all about. So enjoy doing it. Can't wait to do your trailer when you bring it to me. We'll do that too, make it look really nice then. So.
Tori and this is my sign shop, and it's been here for 22, 23 years, something like that. And mostly we letter vehicles, but there's a mix. There is some signs, banners, and other things. And it's not always a glamorous job. It does change every day. Sometimes it has its problems. We get to see a lot of trucks, and largely we design it, make it, and install it all right here. We believe it or not, as crazy and wild and wound up as we have been over the years, we actually are one of the longest sign shops in Crawford County, at least right now, and have actually won some awards and different things. We do semis almost every day, which is not the easiest thing to do. A lot of people don't just run them through every single day. And if you don't behave yourself, but a lot anymore though, we are just commercial. And that means we are a business that works for businesses rather than for the general public, because that's really tough. So a lot of times ours is repeat. it'll be like the same businesses over and over, meaning that we have the art on file. And that allows us to actually do probably 1 to 3 vehicles a day and run more volume, as to where if you're doing individuals, you have to draw it, which sometimes can take revisions for up to a week before you ever actually make the graphics. And a lot of computer time. And now it's all AI, which means we have to redraw what they send us, but it's not actual art. It's just an image that the AI drew, and then we have to duplicate it. And that has changed everything just in the last year. But you just kind of have to change with it. And essentially my role is to do most of the art, most of the estimates, and kind of sell the job, but then also to produce it. I have to make sure the size is right, run the machines, the big printers and whatnot, keep them things running, produce them, and then give them to them to install. Sometimes correctly, sometimes not, but try to get it right the first go around, and to actually turn something that's an image into something that's real and touchable and feasible. But it's easier said than done. And that's about it. Other than, my side of it also includes the invoicing and the books and all that, which is normal business stuff, insurances, what have you.
Well, that's a wrap. No pun intended. A special thanks to all the crew at Tori Sign Shop. They allowed me to film, ask questions, and be in their way all day long. The truck looks great, and I can hardly wait to hit the road. I hope to see you all out there. Trucker Pete here, signing off.